Hello friends, it's me Alexa here. Today it is day 12 of 31 Days of Halloween. Are you guys enjoying it so far? We're going to start off with a fresh base. We have our gray blue contacts in. You know, you could really wear whatever you want as far as Freddy's eyes goes. You know, you could like draw them on too. You know, you can just do the whole shebang here. We're just going to blend in our base. I'm using kind of a lighter base because I really want all of the reds and browns we are using to really pop. Now I'm going to skip the powder and I'm going to go right into liquid latex. Please be sure that you know that your skin is capable of working with liquid latex and all of that jazz. I just use this to give me a little bit more texture. You know, you don't have to do this at all. Like, you really don't have to do this. I just wanted to set this self apart from like a super easy Freddy and like a hard, you know, like an actual, I drew every line in Freddy's face. So this is like my medium skill set level of Freddy. And I did this right after my clown, so my skin was kind of burning. So like I said, please be sure that you know that your skin can take liquid latex. If not, then just skip and just do some body painting. I'm just going to put the eye socket in like a nice rusty red. This is really going to make the eyes pop. We're going to let those dry. And then I took a palette knife and I'm just kind of creating some little slashes and gashes in his face. You can take this all the way up to the brow bone. I just chose not to. We're going to work on our socket afterwards, but I'm going to fill in some of these holes. So you can go over, as you can see, I'm going over most of that with the, I use eyeshadow color. Of course, you can use whatever you want if you want to use real body paint. I'm just, you know, I'm crazy and I don't like to actually use what is easiest for me. So, of course, this is going to take you the longest of layering all of the colors. And of course you have to wait for that liquid latex to dry, otherwise you'll just mush it around and you'll ruin all your brushes and it'll be a nightmare. Literally, nightmare on Elm Street. So we are just creating some holes, some gashes. You're going to look like you have like the chicken pox. It's going to be quite fun. And I put some of that red under my socket. I changed into a more Freddy-esque outfit for you guys. And now I'm just kind of making some holes in my neck just so it would be a complete piece. I didn't take the liquid latex down into my neck for obvious reasons. So yep, this is just going to take you the longest to do, is all of the layering and all of the putting all the holes where you want them to be. Of course you can put your skin tone over the liquid latex, but I really wanted this to pop. It really wasn't doing itself justice in my camera, but you know, I say that and I'm like, you know, it was fine, it was fine. So you guys enjoying 31 Days of Halloween so far? What is your favorite tutorial that I have done? Are you excited to see any? Are you going to predict any that I'm going to do this year? Have you been keeping up with my Instagram? That is where I post pretty much all of the work that I have been working on for 31 days. I started this back in May, working on my 31 days, so I've been working on this for a pretty long time because I promised you guys last year that I would keep up with it. I think I only got to day 17 or 18 last year, but I had started only in October, so I was like, I gotta get this done. It's crucial to get it done. I'm actually recording this, it's October 1st, so just try to get all my stuff done. I have 6 more tutorials to do in the month of October. You guys are probably like, what? You started in May. What? I'm a lazy editor, and I don't like to edit. That's my least favorite part of making these tutorials. But that's okay. I do it for you guys. I do it because I love it too. It's just a hobby. I don't make any money. I think the most I made off of a tutorial was maybe 3 cents. And now I'm not a partner anymore. So as you guys can maybe tell, I don't know, ads don't appear on my videos anymore. So that's kind of annoying, but it's fine. So if you could help your girl out and share these videos, that would be super appreciated. If not, it's okay too. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching me talk and ramble and do all this stuff. What are you guys going to be for Halloween? Please leave it in the comments down below. I'd love to read all of the popular costumes this year. I'm just putting a little bit more on the inside of my eye, just kind of making a little bit more denser with a dark purpley red. And then I just threw on my hat, and away we go. Or away we went, actually. But I don't have any scissor hands or any, like, claw hands. So you guys will have to excuse that. This is the best I could do with the Freddy. So, well, this is about the medium, like I said, skill set that I wanted to show you guys with the Freddy. You could just make, I saw somebody just make like some red holes in their face. So if you want to do that, of course, go for that. But voila, here it is done. Here is my Mr. Freddy Krueger. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next day. Are you ready for day 13? What is day 13? As I look at my notes. Oh, this starts right around where I started. I started with one of these lovely ladies. There's 3 of them. These are about my favorite ones too. Anyway, I hope you guys can guess. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.